Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use count, count a, count blank, count if and countifs function in Excel. So let's start. Uh, Count function always counts all the cells that has numbers. Okay, so if there is blank or text value or sign, that will not be included if we use count. So let's use it. Count, then we have to select the range, closing bracket. We can see that 11 is counted: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That is, if we use count option function, then it will ignore all the blank cells, text value, and sign. It will only count the cells that has numbers. Okay, now count A. Count A will count if there is number or text. Okay, so number or any text or any. It will also count if there is any sign, but it will ignore blank. That is, if there is blank cell, it will not count that. So let's see. Count A. Then I'm selecting the whole range, closing bracket, enter. It is giving us 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we can see that if we use count a function, it will count all the cells that has numbers, text, or sign, but it will not include any cell that is blank. So now count blank. Count blank will include now count all the cells that has blank values. That is blank. Okay. So we can count blank, then opening bracket.